Frustration and concern are mounting across the United States as the country's new COVID-19 cases, fueled by the highly contagious Delta variant, hit a 6-month high at more than 100,000 cases a day. As millions of Americans remain unvaccinated and unmasked, the country is paying the terrible price. Hospitalizations and deaths have almost doubled in the past 2 weeks. About 67,000 people are now hospitalized with COVID-19, according to data from the Department of Health and Human Services. Now, nearly 18 months into the pandemic, there is no consensus on masking, vaccination, and other mitigation measures because of partisan divide and political polarization. The political firefight around COVID-19 is only getting more intense. National Institutes of Health Director Francis Collins acknowledged on Sunday how politics has polarized public opinion on pandemic mitigation strategies. He told ABC News, quote, "I'm afraid we should not really have ever gotten in the place we are. In that regard, we're failing. We're incredibly polarized about politics. We don't really need to be polarized about a virus that's killing people. We ought to be doing everything we can to save lives." And Anthony Fauci, head of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, has warned that U.S. COVID-19 cases may double to 200,000 a day in the fall unless the country could crush the outbreak to the point of getting the overwhelming proportion of the population vaccinated. According to the CDC, as of Sunday, 50.1% of the U.S. population had been fully vaccinated and 58.7% received at least one dose.